Now we are to the last paragraph on page number 18, where he uses this sentence. What happens? Often there is war, and this war has had a chilling effect. Now, has had means the tense which is used here is present perfect tense. This is the auxiliary verb, helping verb. This is the past participle of the main verb have. Have, past tense had, past participle had. V3. So, war has had a chilling effect. Chilling, you know well. Chill means cool. Now here, war. Which war? The writer is speaking about. He is not talking about war in between two countries or more countries. He talks about the war between two persons, between one person and some other people around him. This war is a part of many people's life. लोक रोज भांडतात. भांडतात म्हणजे काय? There is the war. Now the sentence is, it is a matter of general agreement that war has had a chilling effect upon those little everyday civilities of behavior. See, war has a chilling effect. War has bad effect on civilities of behavior. Chilling means not favorable. Civilities of behavior. Behavior याचा अर्थ काय? वागणे. How you behave. The civilities of behavior, what do? They sweeten our life. Behavior is good. Our life is sweet. So, civilities of behavior means good behavior. It sweetens the life of everyone. If people are fighting, people are having war, then this sweetness decreases. And for that, the writer says, there is the policeman, which is necessary in the society, as well as law is necessary. This policeman or law, these are the necessities of our civil life. But what do? He uses the term, they are somewhat lower than the angels. These are somewhat lower than the angels. Angels means Devadut, messengers of God. We call them angels. So, the policeman or the law, why they are lower than the angels? Lower म्हणजे थोडेसे कमी. Why? Because they can protect us from physical attack. But they cannot protect you from moral attack. What has happened in case of the liftman? लिफ्टमनच्या बाबतीत काय झालं होतं? The liftman expected only one word, that is please. But the person who wanted to get in, he did not use it. So it was a moral attack on the liftman. The liftman was hurt. And what did he decide to do? And what did he do in fact? Is he took revenge. Revenge म्हणजे सूड. बदला घेतला त्याने. कसा घेतला? He threw the passenger out. What is the expectation of A.G. Gardiner is, instead of throwing the passenger out, what he should have done is, he should have been more polite. And he would have taken the revenge in some other way also. How? He gives a funny example of Chesterton. If you see the next page, that is page number 19. you can have this word, this name of this writer, Chesterton. Now who was Chesterton? Chesterton was English statesman, author and patron of letters. See the right hand side, you can get the information about him. So he was a very good writer, statesman also, and what did he say? One day he said, I was walking by a road. Now the road was muddy. It had rain, chikhal hota rastavar. And one who would go by the wall, he would get the driest footing. म्हणजे भिंतीच्या कडेकडेने गेलं तर he would get the dry part. So Chesterton was going by the wall and another man, he was coming by the same way. Now what did the man say? Say, the road we are talking here, in fact it is London pavements. Pavements means footpath. Pavement means footpath. So at that time when Chesterton has written this paragraph, he says there were no pavements in London. So दोन्ही हाताला फुटपाथ जे असतात ते नाही आहे. It was a simple road. What did the man say? The man who took the wall had the driest footing, and the man who met Chesterton in the street, he said, I never give room to scoundrels. Scoundrels means stupid people, foolish people. Baga. What is the sentence? I never give the wall to a scoundrel. Now Chesterton heard. Now how are these words? See, scoundrel means it is insulting word. हा जो शब्द आहे, it means stupid persons, very stupid people. They are called scoundrel. शिवी आहे scoundrel. What did Chesterton say? I never give the wall to scoundrels. Chesterton heard it. What would have happened if Chesterton would have been like that liftman? He would have just caught that man and beat him, or he would have said something more harsh. But Chesterton did not do any one of these. So he simply said, when the man said, I never give wall to the scoundrels, he said, I always give. He bowed and he jumped into the road, other side of the street. So, miss, what happened? I always give room to scoundrels. असं म्हणून चेस्टरटन बाजूला झाला. तो काय म्हणतो? मी मूर्खांना कधी जागा देत नाही. हा काय म्हणतो? मी नेहमीच देतो. And he stepped and allowed the man to go by the wall. Here we find that Chesterton also had taken revenge. But how? By using his head. By keeping his head calm and quiet. And he in fact took proper revenge. The liftman should also have done something like this. With this, the writer ends the lesson. If the liftman would have behaved like Chesterton, his revenge would have been sweeter. So, this lesson, which carries a very good moral, that is in the society, good manners are very essential, because our life becomes tolerable. We have earlier seen that we want our life to be cheerful, we want it to be fresh, we want joy. But we want a society which should be tolerable. And for that, only rules on paper are not enough. What is equally important is the moral behavior of the people, or the moral discipline of the people, which makes a society good enough to live for us as well as for everyone. Thank you.